Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Service Cloud, benefits of using Service Cloud, steps to create web to case assignment rule, case auto response rule, case creation and assignment, agent reviews and response, knowledge base search, live chat for further assistance, escalation to technical support resolution, case closure, follow up and customer satisfaction survey. So anyhow this video is going to be long, as I thought that all the things I need to cover in a single session. So this would be beneficial. We don't have to search here and there for this particular concept, web to case. Salesforce Service Cloud is a customer relationship management platform for Salesforce clients to provide service and support to their business customers. Service Cloud enables users to automate service processes, streamline workflows, and find key articles, topics, and experts to support customer service agents. It handles the customer service request from start to finish. This process includes case creation, assignment, resolution, and closure. Benefits of using Service Cloud: efficiency, automates case creation, assignment, and notifications, ensuring quick and efficient handling of support requests. Consistency, maintains a comprehensive record of customer interactions, providing a single source of truth for all customer issues. Knowledge sharing, leverages the knowledge base to provide quick solutions and empower support agents with the information they need. Customer satisfaction, tracks customer satisfaction through surveys and feedback, helping to continuously improve the support process. Analytics and reporting, provides insights into support team performance and case trends, enabling data driven decision making. Steps to create web to case. So first we need to click on setup, platform tools, feature settings, service, web to case. So let's see an example of Service Cloud process. We will follow the journey of support team uses Service Cloud to manage and resolve the issue. Suppose a customer Jane Doe is experiencing an issue with a product she purchased and submits a support request through the company's website. So in this case what is going to happen? For this case we have to enable settings of web to case, then again go for web to case HTML generator, choose the fields, click generate button. After providing all essential details, save the form by providing a name with .html extension. In this example I am taking web to case.html. Case assignment rule, automatically assign cases to users or queues based on criteria we define. We can create multiple rules, but only one rule can be active at a time. So to create rule, we need to click on new button, provide the rule name. Here we are taking case assignment. Active, check the checkbox to make it active. Case assignment rule entry. So in step 1, it is asking for set the order. We are going with 1. Step 2, select the criteria. Here we are taking the criteria case reason is installation. In step 3, assign the case to user A, as we have a user in our organization by the name user A, and choose the email template provided by Salesforce. So here we no need to create a template. So by default the existing template I am going to use, that is support case assignment notification. In step 4, that is optional, select predefined case teams, so I am not selecting, and finally clicking the save button. So our case assignment rule is created. Case auto response rule automatically determine which email templates to use when sending auto response messages for new cases. To create rule, we need to click on new button, provide the rule name. Here I am taking case auto response active. Check the checkbox to make it active. Case auto response rule entry. In step 1, it is asking for set the order. Here we are going with 1. Step 2, select the criteria. Here our criteria is case type is others. So in the case type we are finding the other option. If someone is choosing the other option, then this auto response rule is going to work. Step 3, specify the name and address. So name we are taking support, and address is email address, and that we are taking salesforce.network@gmail.com. Step 4, select the template. Here again we don't need to create the template, as in our real time scenario we can create as per our business requirement, but Salesforce has already provided some couple of templates for cases. So here I am using support case response template. Step 5, optional, select survey. Here I am not selecting, and finally clicking on save button. So auto response rule is created. Case creation and assignment. So suppose there is a scenario like Jane Doe, one customer, or we can say that she is having issue with her laptop. She tries to switch on the laptop, but still she is not finding any way to switch on. So she went on the company's website. There is a support form. She opened that form, enter all the details what here we are seeing, and after submitting that particular form, that case is going to be captured by Salesforce. So in Salesforce all the information is getting captured in case object, and by our automation C is getting notified, and again the case owner is also getting notified. So case number is like one random number, contact name is Jane Doe, one person. So email ID of that customer, phone number, subject issue with personal laptop, description she had given like the product is not turning on, case reason maybe installation or something like this. Case type is she mentioned other, status is new, priority is medium. So this is the data she filled in the form and submitted. Service cloud action using case assignment rule. The case is automatically assigned to an available support agent, that is James Smith. Suppose this is the person who is going to be notified when that case is coming into Salesforce. Agent reviews and respond. Situation: James Smith receives a notification about new case and reviews the detail. Service cloud action. So what it is going to do? James sends an initial response to Jane Doe acknowledging receipt of her support request and asking for additional information if needed. He updates the case status to in progress. So when any customer agent is getting a case, they are going to analyze that particular case, and if they want some more additional information, they are going to ask with that particular customer, and also making the status of that particular case is in progress. Knowledge base search. So in this case, James searches the knowledge base for article related to the issue. So the issue is what? The laptop is not switching on. Maybe there is an installation issue or something like that. So what Service Cloud Action is going to do in this case? He finds an article titled Troubleshooting Laptop Not Turning On. So in the knowledge base search, he searched for this article and emails the article link to Jane Doe suggesting some initial troubleshooting steps. So he is asking to Jane Doe that go with this article and do the troubleshooting. Live chat for further assistance. So situation is like Jane Doe tries the troubleshooting steps but still faces the issue. She initiates a live chat session for further assistance. So she tries with that article but couldn't solve. So she initiates a live chat session. Service Cloud Action. The live chat is routed to James Smith. During the chat, James provides additional support and gathers more details about the issue. So during the call, they get into the depth of that particular problem and also ask for some additional information. Escalation to technical support. So the situation like the issue requires additional technical support. So maybe this guy is not going to solve that particular case. So it is asking for additional technical support. So Service Cloud Action is going to help out, like James escalates the case to technical support team and updates the case status to escalated. So in this case, what is going to happen? He also add detailed notes from his interactions with Jane Doe. So all the discussion what is happened with Jane Doe, James Smith make a note and he escalated that particular case. Technical support resolution. So in this case, what is going to happen? Situation: a technical support specialist, Lisa Brown, takes over the case, reviews the notes, and contacts Jane Doe for further troubleshooting. So now technical support specialist is going to handle this case, that is Lisa Brown. Service Cloud Action. Lisa diagnoses the problem as a faulty power supply and arranges for a replacement to ship to Jane. She updates the case status to waiting for parts. So when she get into that particular case, she find out that there is a power supply issue, or that particular power supply is not working. So uh, she arranges for replacement that is going to be shipped to Jane and updates the case status waiting for parts. Case closure. So situation like Jane receives the replacement part and her product is now working correctly. Service Cloud Action. Jane confirms that the issue is resolved. Lisa updates the case status to closed and logs the resolution details. So resolution is replaced faulty power supply. Product is now working correctly. So she closes the case. Follow up and customer satisfaction survey. So situation like to ensure Jane is fully satisfied with support received, the company sends a follow up email with customer satisfaction survey. Service Cloud Action. Jane completes the survey providing positive feedback about her experience. Like survey form is like this. Title: Troubleshooting laptop not turning on. Content: Step by step guide on troubleshooting the issue. Survey result: Satisfaction 5 out of 5. Comments: The support team was very helpful and resolved my issue. So like this, any support team is going to work when they are getting the case is going to assign to a particular agent. That agent is working on that particular case. If requires, then they are connecting with that customer or client, tries to solve that particular problem with their end. If they are finding that they can't do, they are escalating, then that particular case is going to assign to their superiors. They are solving that particular issue, and finally the case is getting closed, ending a feedback form from the customer's end. Customer is filling that form and sending back to support team. So to configure web2 case, we need to log in into our Salesforce account, and we have to refer our PPT for the navigation. So first we are going to click on setup, platform tools, feature settings, service, web2 case, and enabling the web2 case. So by default we are at setup, platform tools, feature settings, expand this, service, again expand this, web2 case, click on this. So web2 case setting, use a simple web form or a self-service customer community to make it easy for customers to submit cases directly to your customer support group. So by default it is inactive. You have to check this checkbox to make it enable. And auto response email setting is there, default response template. Here we are choosing support, case created, web inquiries, and leaving all the information. Click save. Then again go to web2 case HTML generator, choose the fields, click generate button. After providing all the essential details, save the form by web2case.html. Here we can take any name, but .html is necessary to save this file. So next we are going to click on web2case HTML generator, capturing case information from your website using pre-existing pages on your company's website. You can capture contact and case information from users and automatically create new cases in salesforce.com, enabling you to respond in real time to customer request. So already this data is available. So available fields are there: company type, status, case reason, priority, engineering request number, SLA violation, product potential liability. These are the available fields, and by default these are the selected fields: contact name, email, phone, subject, and description. Also if we need some more fields we can add. So I am going to add case reason, click add, and type, click add. Also we can make it as per our convenient up. To make it up we can select and make it click on up button. So we can do this also, placing at the previous position. Enter the URL that the user will be returned to. So after filling the form, where you want to redirect the page, so that URL address you have to provide. Here I am going with salesforce.com. So after submitting all the details, this page is going to redirect at salesforce.com page, and I am not including reCAPTCHA for now, and clicking on generate button. After entering all the details, clicking on generate button. So this is the form. We need to copy this all, select and copy, open a notepad file. So this is a blank notepad file. Paste here, go to file, save as. So here I am giving the name web2case.html and location desktop. Click save. So this file is saved like web2case. Double click and open this form. This is the form. These all details we can put to our real-time website, and from there we can capture the data into our Salesforce org. So this is completed. Next, case assignment rule. So we are going to create a case by the name case assignment and making it active. Here the thing what we have to provide, case reason is installation in criteria field, and then we are going to assign to user A and choosing the email template already provided by Salesforce by the name support case assignment notification. So let's create this. So finally click on finish. So to create the case assignment rule, simply click from here case assignment rule. Case assignment rules, click on this. So to create a new case assignment rule, simply we need to click on new. Rule name I am providing case assignment. Making it active. If we are not checking this checkbox, this case assignment rule we can't use. So click save. So next again we have to click on this case assignment for rule entries, and to create the rule entries we need to click on new. So here in first step, set the order in which the rule entry will be processed. I am going with 1. Select the criteria for this rule entry. So here I am going with case reason as installation, as we had seen in our PPT. Case reason equals to installation. So on this criteria it is going to work. Select the user or queue to assign the case to. So simply I am going with user A, clicking on search. User A is there. Then email template, I am going with Salesforce provided support email template. So support case assignment notification. Already Salesforce had provided this email template. Simply choosing this. Step 4, optionally select predefined case teams to add to the case. So I am leaving this information, and finally clicking on save button. So case assignment rule is created and it is active to use. So this part is done, case assignment rule. Then we are going to create case auto response rule. So here we are going to click on new button to create new auto response rule, making it active, and in the rule entry selecting the order first, and criteria case type is other, and specifying the name and address, like address is email address, and selecting the template already provided by Salesforce, support case response, and not selecting the survey, and finally clicking on save button. So let's see. So search for case auto response, case auto response rules, click on this. So there is no auto response rule. If all we need to create a new auto response rule, click on new button. So rule name I am providing case auto response. By checking this active, making it available for use, click save. So to create the rule entry, we need to click on this rule name. So rule entries, we need to click on new. So set the order. In the step 1, I am providing 1. Select the criteria for this rule entry. So here I am going with case type equals to other. In step 3, specify the name and address. So here I am providing support and address. And address I am providing Salesforce Network at gmail.com. Select the template to use. So clicking on search button. So already there is a support case response. I am choosing this template. Click on this, and next step 5, select a survey to send. This is optional, I am not going with this. Click on save button. So auto response rule is created. Then I am coming to app launcher, search for case, click on case. So in the case object, if I am going to see all open cases, so these are all the cases. So again coming back to our form what we had created. So this web to case form, this information we have to provide on any website or any social page to capture the information related to support. We can do this in the real time scenario. So I am going with the information: contact name Jendo, email I am providing my email, phone some random phone, subject issue with personal laptop, description the product is not turning on, case reason installation, type other. As soon as we are submitting this form, this is going to capture by Salesforce into the case object, and also we are seeing that it is getting redirected to salesforce.com, as we had given the return URL name salesforce.com. So as soon as we had submitted our case, the case is created here by the case number 1027, and subject, as we had mentioned, issue with personal laptop. It is coming like this: status is new and date is captured to today's. Case owner alias is user A. So if I want the detail of this particular case, so case issue with my personal laptop, this is the case number, and case owner is user A, as we had given there. Case number, contact name is Jendo. So here user A is support agent. So at that place we had seen James Smith. In this case, owner is user A. In this organization, by the name user A is there. So in the real time, we are going to replace this as the business needs. So as we had taken the type other, it is coming over here. Case reason, installation we had mentioned. Webmail is the mail. Web name is coming like Jane Doe, and there is a random phone number we had taken, date and time. Subject, issue with personal laptop. Description, we had mentioned the product is not turning on. So like this we are getting the information. Also we are getting a mail. So this is the mail we got. Case by the number, case number has been assigned to you. Please click on the link below to view the record. So if I am clicking on this particular link, it is going to redirect to our case. Thank you.